That is Bianca, the Maltese goat. You recognize her from her ears because she keeps her ears down. Look at her. See, they're not like this. They keep them down. It's a very particular goat. It can produce milk for 3 years in a row without having kids. And she doesn't eat, she's always eating, but very little. Hey. Oh, she is very, very angry today, you see? Because she just had her kids yesterday. She's angry because she would have, when she gives birth, she would have high fever. It's a normal thing, but if you go in there, she'll be very, very aggressive. She can bite a lot. Come on, 2, you're lucky. There's 3 for sure. Calm down, you'll be okay. Hiya, ha. Hiya. Ah. That's what makes them love you, eh? The black ones, the Maltese chicken, that's they're different kinds, eh?
Hey, Joe, what there?
That's the Maltese pigeon. Okay? He's the male, she's the female. You see how big they are compared to the others? They're so big because they use them for meat, for the soups and so on. With progress, they were not used anymore, and then people were keeping them for as a hobby. These are the fantail pigeons, okay? And we've got some ducks, but this duck wants to go there, and so she's going, because you know she's on her eggs. She's gonna lay her eggs, and she doesn't want them there. Hey, come on. خليهم بكويت. Okay, yeah, come on. Oh, sorry. Yeah, because they are fighting, you know. So we have to talk to them to stop it. Now we have the small and their mother, the small peacock. When they are grown up, we let them loose because we use them to keep birds away, because otherwise they will eat our grapes and fruit, and also it's a deterrent for the rodents. They keep them away.